Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on diagnosing and addressing the EC short issue in the Dell XPS P117G. If your laptop is experiencing power issues, you may be facing an EC short. Let's walk through the diagnosis and repair process step by step. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air. These tools will be essential for safely opening your device and cleaning its internals. Start by powering down the laptop completely. Unplug it from the wall and remove any attached peripherals. Then, remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them organized to ensure you don't lose any during the process. If you encounter any stubborn screws, a little patience and gentle twisting should help loosen them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom panel using a plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips that may be holding it in place. After removing the panel, you'll have access to the internals of the laptop. Now, take a moment to visually inspect the motherboard and other components for any signs of damage, such as burnt areas or bulging capacitors. If you notice any of these issues, it may indicate a deeper problem that could require professional attention. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify the root cause of the issue. Using the compressed air, gently clean out any dust and debris that may have accumulated inside the laptop. Focus particularly on the area around the motherboard and the fan. Dust buildup can lead to overheating and electrical shorts, exacerbating your problem. After cleaning, check the power connectors and any relevant wiring for wear or damage. If you find any frayed wires, they'll need to be replaced. Replacing connectors or wiring can sometimes resolve the EC short issue. At this point, if you don't have the tools or expertise to proceed with further repairs, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easy to get your laptop fixed without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. If everything looks intact, reassemble the laptop by carefully placing the bottom panel back and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all clips are firmly in place. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and power on the laptop. If the laptop powers on without issue, congratulations! You've potentially solved the EC short problem. However, if the issue persists, it's best to consult with professionals. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect in terms of costs. In conclusion, diagnosing and repairing an EC short in the Dell XPS P117G requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps, you can either resolve the issue yourself or gather the necessary information to seek professional help. Remember, your laptop deserves the best care to keep it running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.